Okay, I wanted to record this morning. Sorry I didn't get to it yesterday. Okay, so on the units page, how to choose and post in your party, you have two options. You can do it from your computer using the Google Slides, or you can do it in Trello, which is just a platform that stores your stuff. There's no right or wrong answer, but I will say that one of the nice things about Trello is you have the script and the graphics like on your phone. So let's say you're out and about and you have a party this evening and you don't have time to like go in and find the document. You can just easily access it on Trello and copy and paste quickly. So let's just look at Trello really quick. This is what it is. It's just a platform to store stuff. So these have been all of our past templates. So this is the one we're using right now, storing in spring. And I've got all my graphics and my wording. So far you have posted your cover with the description. And you've posted your welcome with your graphics. So those are the only two things that you need posted before you add your yes people to your event every time. So once you have invited your people, you're going to post one post every day leading up to the party. Now let's say you have a hostess who was slow to the game and didn't get invited right away. I don't then try and shove all of those posts into one day. Let's say she's 5 pre-party posts behind. I don't shove them into one day. I just post the recommendation post and leave it at that. This is the most important post. So if you have to skip all the others, this is the one that's going to get people to your party. It's going to pique their interest and it's going to make them want to buy. So you're going to be sharing book samples for their specific kiddos. Okay, so you can see in here, I've got all my pre-party posts, one a day. Just click on it. All you have to do is copy. And then if you're on a PC, you can actually just right click and copy this graphic as well, which is really handy. Okay, so then you get down to our welcome. So we had the hour before, 15 minutes before the welcome. Same thing, you can copy and paste. This doesn't have a picture because it has a YouTube. So when you copy and paste this whole thing into Facebook, it will generate an image for you. So just know that it does have an image. It just generates it for you. So that's basically the template for Trello. Now, it does tell you on here too, like how many minutes after that post you're supposed to post this. That kind of helps you because that shows you how long the video within that last post was. So the video in post 2 is about 7 minutes. So you're going to post this one 7 minutes after post 2. That just tries to keep you on track so that you don't have people just waiting for the next video to come up. Okay, so your next option was to do it from the, oh, no, that's not what I want. Hold on. I thought this had it here. Okay, hold the phone. That didn't have the link. I don't know why, because I feel like it should be there. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay, party template. Okay, so Soaring at Home. So I believe you've already downloaded all the graphics in here. You can ignore the shopping guide. That's a little up ahead of us. So you're going to click on the template. And inside of it, you've got the party guide if you're in your climb period, which you are. So let's see if I can. No, I don't want to make a copy. Oops. Okay, well, that's not really important. Let's just go over this. Okay, so your graphics you found. You're going to fill in all the highlighted areas of the template with the correct info and personalize it to help your guests connect with you. You can add pictures of you or your family if you want in either Canva or PicMonkey. if I would just suggest you don't do that until maybe you feel like you've got a couple parties under your belt, and then you have time to maybe go back and do that. So I don't edit this until I post it in the event, because this is a shared document. So what you're going to do, you already did this, you copied and, you copied and pasted this into your party description already. Here is the guide of when to post what. This does a little bit better job to showing you the pre-party, the party post, and the post-party versus the Trello does. That could be a little bit better, but this does a nice layout. So you could always just print this slide out and lay it next to you, so you know, like during the party, oh, I need to post this one. And then sometimes if I'm running 3 or 4 parties at the same time, I'll use my timer. Okay. So when you copy and paste this, you are going to just edit the yellow text. This is just telling you that you could customize this picture in here. So you're just going to copy this. So let's just, and you're going to go into your Facebook event. Just pick an event here. Okay, so just going to pick one, and you would just copy and paste it, and then you're going to take that picture from that you've saved to your computer. I know you know how to do this, but I'm just trying to like help you so you're not stressed out today. So my welcome, and then hold on. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to change this section. Okay, so you can share more, and then I would just welcome to, so this is my hostess is Brittany. In your case, it's your launch, so you're just going to say my Soaring into Spring book party or my launch. And then this one is also the name of the host, so you're just going to say, I hope. What do you want? More tea? Okay, you may have one more scoop. And then you're just going to hit post, and that's going to post that. So try not to get overwhelmed with the color text. It's just trying to help you know that there's things you need to personalize as you go. So this right here, you just copy and paste. And then here's my sample of this. It just says, share about your family. So that's just what I did down here in my recommendation post. So I just, at the end, I basically took this section right here about what he or she likes, and said my reader Adeline and my reader Flynn. So I hope that helps. So like this one, like I said, doesn't have the graphic because the YouTube is going to generate an image. So, and like I said, all of these graphics are stored. Let's see if I can go back. Right here. You just need the pre-party. Oh my goodness. No. Put that in your tea and stir. Pre-party, party posts, post parties. You do not need mystery host. You don't need blank background right now. And the examples are just them showing you how they customized them. So you don't need to download those either. So you just need pre-party, party posts, and post-party downloaded. So let me know if that is helpful or if you need more information.